Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn how to draw a bird in Kalamkari art style. So let's start. I'm going to paint this bird on a canvas pouch which is made by artsurya.com Bangalore, and material needed is pencil, eraser, a cotton bud, compass, black color paint, dark blue paint, maroon black or dark red paint, light blue color paint, and green color. So we are going to use these paints. My first step is to draw an outline of a bird. In these circles, I am going to draw my bird. This is our basic drawing. Now, originally Kalamkari is always done in black color outline. Here we'll start with black colors, and we have to use a very thin brush. So I'm going to use 00 number brush. This is the black color. Our peacock is fully drawn. Now I'm going to draw the outer circle. So our outline work is complete. As usual, we will wash the brush and wipe it and make it clean again. I'm going to use green color and dark red color first. For painting on the cloth, your paint should not be very watery. Otherwise, it will smudge. So make sure your paint is not very watery. Again, wash the brush. I'm going to use dark red color. This is Fabricana dark red color. I'm using white color water to give little shading here, just to highlight this portion. With this, our bird is ready in Kalamkari art style. I hope you like this very simple tutorial. Thank you for subscribing, liking and sharing the information about Vandana's art, my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.